readily agreed to our council's submission that he should set aside that injunction because it was not in the right way. And why was it not in the right way? Just like I enumerated from the beginning. One, it was a similar high court, so that shouldn't have been the case. Two, they misled the court. Because when you went, you knew Ladyship Justice Adole Azu, another high court, has already ruled on this issue. So you should have brought it to the attention of the judge. They didn't. Again, the relief they were seeking in the injunction were two. One, that there was a fraud in submitting the CD forms of Nii Tackie Adama Latse by the traditional council. So it should be thrown out. And then their second was also that the traditional council should also be stopped from forwarding the CD forms to the National House of Chiefs. Meanwhile, at the time they filed this, the king has already been gazetted, of which they are aware. Because when the king was gazetted, they filed a mandamus at the Kumasi High Court before His Lordship Justice C.A. Wilson. And it was thrown out. So they are aware that it has already been, the king has already been gazetted. But meanwhile, fraudulently, they came and told the High Court that he should stop the form from going. So our counsel, Bright Akwete, pointed out to the court that all what they said was misleading because they have filed against the mandamus, against the gazetting, for it to be cancelled, deleted, the name to be deleted, which was thrown away by the High Court. So it was a lie there, and then two, saying that the form shouldn't be sent. The forms have been sent already. So this was what the judge saw in his wisdom that really it was true. He was misled because if he has been informed, he wouldn't have taken such a decision. So he threw out the interlocutory injunction. But the landed judge didn't stop there. He also saw that the way and manner they brought it was not the right way because the whole issue was a chieftaincy issue. And the High Courts lacked jurisdiction to go into chieftaincy issues. That is why we have the traditional councils, they have their judicial committees. That is why we have the regional House of Chiefs, they also have their judicial councils. That is why we have the National House of Chiefs, they have their judicial councils. So when you go to the traditional council, you are not satisfied, you will go to the regional House of Chiefs. If you are not satisfied, you go to the National House of Chiefs. Even at the National House of Chiefs, if you are not satisfied, you are at liberty to go to the Supreme Court. So the judge also found out that, saw that the matter was a chieftaincy issue. So he doesn't have jurisdiction to hear the case. So he threw out their own suit that they brought before him. So I can say for sure now that there's no more any injunction pending against the induction of Nii Tackie Adama Latse into the Ghana Traditional Council. And it is our hope that the Traditional Council will now do the proper thing by allowing him to take his proper seat as the president of the Ghana Traditional Council.